The birdies are feasting. Hey, hi! I'm Virginia Barnes. I'm the Kapuka 21 coordinator, or Kaulana Manu. And I'm here to talk about what the Connection students have been doing and what they've helped me do here in the Kipuka. And they can say it's just trails, but I don't think it's just what they're doing. They're not just building trails, they're actually going to be building an access for the community to come in and to enter into a native forest, something that not everyone gets to do every day. And it's a place that is not as easily accessible if there wasn't a trail put in here. So that's a good thing. Someone's got to be able to build a trail, learn to do some informational signs and interpretive guided hikes and things like that, and also be able to manage volunteers and do some outreach. So voila, I am here. And once I got involved, it was something I took on as as a labor of love. This place instantly got me, so I started working with the community members, and a lot of the community members came out to help, and whether it was coming out here to sweat or pull a muscle or work really hard in here, or it was to donate cinder and rock, and everything that you see on the trail is all donated. But it really brought the community together, and that was the point of this place, was to bring the community together, to educate them on the forest, native forest they don't get to see all the time. So it was successful. I think it's successful even at the start of it, before the trail was even put down. And then once we got the trail pretty much roughed out, then we brought in a lot more volunteers that started coming up, and I was lucky enough to talk to John Thatcher, who is a principal of Connections Charter School. And those students that came up did more work for us in, how long was it? September, October, November, December, January? Almost a little over 6 months. Then I was able to get a lot of the community members who were a little on the older side to help me with. With the idea that this was going to be open to the public, it was going to be educational, it was going to be something where people could come and enjoy, and it wouldn't just be to one group, it would be to everybody. And my favorite part was it would be open to the kids, and it's their big idea was that it would be very educational and interpretive on the wildlife side. They wanted people to know what it is they're coming into the forest to come see. The other thing Connections students are doing is they're creating a little history. They're a part of history. And the Kaulana Manu Native Bird and Plant Sanctuary, when it opens, this is going to be open for quite some time to come. So all these trails and all these little rock walls and everything they've laid down, all their hard work, they can come back in 20, 30 years and it'll still be here. And their kids can come on it, and those grandkids, and so on and so forth. So it's something for them to be proud of, and know that they've done really good here. And I appreciate all their hard work. really did an amazing job and did a whole lot of work down here. So